Hey there, it's Erin with Time Saving Templates, and today I was going to go over some of the free templates that are available that you can download at timesavingtemplates.com/free resources. So I have free templates or cheat sheets in 3 different categories, and today I'm going to go over the one for rental properties. So it's the free property improvement tracking worksheet that you can download here, timesavingtemplates.com/rental freebie. And this spreadsheet in particular is just a simple spreadsheet. A lot of the other templates you'll find are a little bit more involved, but this one is free and you can use it just to track overall your improvements that you've made to rental properties. It comes with 3 different pages for 3 different rentals and then a summary page that's going to add up your totals. So the summary page is just going to link everything that you enter into the other pages, the address, the date you purchased, purchase price, and if you want to enter an appraisal. And then as you make improvements, say you had a new roof, yikes, or carpeting. It's just going to add it up here, and it's also going to add up in the summary, so you can kind of track with 3 rental properties your total overall cost of improvements, and you could save this template as many times as you needed if you had more than 3, and you could save one version for each year, or you can keep this as a running total over many years, you know, how much per property for different kinds of improvements, and you could add your own category and the date and any notes. So just a simple spreadsheet. It's free to download. You can get that at timesavingtemplates.com/rental freebie, and you can download it right there. And I also have a couple of other free resources which I'll go over in another video, but I have some free resources and templates for small business for pricing products, and I also have some free cheat sheet for compensation if you work in HR and you want a compensation metrics cheat sheet. And then for everybody, I have free how to get started with Excel videos as well. So again, go check it out at timesavingtemplates.com/free resources. And until next time, don't forget that I'm here to help you streamline and save time when it comes to getting organized with Excel spreadsheets. Thank you.